Well, hello everyone. Back with another model today to assemble. This one is a 1948 Ford pickup truck. It's a 125th scale. Uh, Looks like pretty nice. What I'm going to do, I got a few extra things I want to do with it. Of course, it's my favorite color, red, so I don't know what all I can do, but I'm going to get it unpacked and get busy on it, and we'll see what we'll come up with in the end. All right, appreciate y'all watching, and hang around to the end. We'll see how it all turns out. All right.